Hello, trading is closed on January 29th, 2019. We had a few calls. The first was the most likely occurrence was a gap and a prompt move outside yesterday's range. That happened. Next most likely is we close little change. Little change is defined as 4 points or less, and that happened as well. Here MEJT, so ultimately higher price it would print. Here's the target. Usually we don't have to wait too long, but there's no time limit, and it doesn't always print as promptly as you want it to, but that's the target. System said this drop wouldn't stick, and we retraced, which we did. Here it's to ultimately higher price it would print. When they did, the system said the move was false, and we retraced, and we did that too. Well, after consolidating like this, there's a big FOMC meeting tomorrow. Those things tend to lead to wild moves in both directions. The only trades I make on those days really are to stay flat, unless there's a very clear call, which I don't think there is. So we're looking for a big move tomorrow, which usually happens after the FOMC meeting. We're looking for wild trading, but I'm not going to make any more specific call than that. So basically, it's not a real call for tomorrow.